Hello guys, and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we're going to be servicing a Vauxhall Corsa D. We're going to be changing the oil filter. So this is the part number there. They are original parts from Vauxhall. This is the air filter. All we're going to need is a T25 for the air filter, a 24mm socket for the oil filter, and then a T45 Torx 45 for the oil sump plug. And we're going to be resetting the oil service light as well. So let me show you. We've got the inspection light on at the moment, so as you can see there. So we're going to be resetting that as well. So yeah, let's get going. We're going to start with the oil sump plug. And don't worry, it's a bit wet here because we just replaced the oil pressure switch that was leaking. I put links at the top here so you can have a look at that as well. So it's a T45 for the oil sump. There we go. There you are. Right, so while the oil is draining, we're gonna replace the oil filter, 24mm socket. There we go, that's the old one. Now to remove the old oil filter, just pull it, it comes off. And next I'm going to replace the O-ring on the side. The new oil filter comes with a new O-ring. Well, let's fit the O-ring first. Put that in place. So there we go, that's a new O-ring. I'm gonna lubricate it a little bit. I'll get a little bit of oil in a minute. Lubricate it so it doesn't split when you fit it in. The new oil filter just pushes in, and that's it, it's in. You get a little bit of oil there from the oil filter housing. Just lubricate it all around, so when you're fitting it, it doesn't split the rubber or damage it. And that's it, ready to go in. Right, the new oil filter is in. You want to torque that to 25 Newton meter. It's not a lot of. There you go. That's it. 25 Newton meters. Right, so the air filter next. You have 4 T25 screws to this side here, one at the bottom, one at the top to remove it, and then we're going to replace the air filter. We're going to disconnect that hose as well. I think that'd be a lot easier if I disconnect that hose. There we go. Hello. New air filter goes in. Right, finally I managed to find the last screw. Don't forget to put the hose back. Tighten up the clump. It's a 7mm clump. Oil has been drained completely. Let's put the oil sump plug back in. I always like to fit it by hand as much as I can, and then you don't need to go all crazy tight with this. Again, T45. Just want to snug it up, and that should do the job. There we go. Right, time for the new oil. I got some 530 original Vauxhall oil. It's a long life oil, 5 liters. I looked online. It says this engine takes about 4, so that's what we're gonna drop 4 liters in. Then I'll start the engine, and we take it from there. Right, so I just dropped 4 liters in. Close this. I'm gonna start the engine. Just get the oil going, filling up the oil filter and everything. Alright guys, I just managed to put about 3.9 liters, and I have to say is dead on the right level. You can see it there. So yeah, it says online it takes about 4 liters, but 3.8 maybe some remaining oil inside, you know. Yeah, that's pretty good. So that's it, we're gonna reset the service lights now. Time for the service light reset. So what you wanna do, you wanna press the knob to reset the mileage, and then now I'm gonna have to put the key in the first position. You're holding my phone, I'm sorry. So there we go. And then you have that inspection light flashing, and then it should come to like 4 dots, and then you can release your finger. And that's it, that's the service light reset. You can take the key off. Now you shouldn't have any inspection message anymore. You can start the car. And that's it, it's really simple. No diagnostic tool required. And that's it for today guys. I've done another couple of videos in this car, which was crankshaft sensor replacement, and today I've done the oil pressure sensor replacement today as well. If you want to have a look at that, I'll leave the links in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video helps, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like it, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.